Imagine looking up at the night sky, a sea of stars, each a distant sun, but for every star you see, there may be something else. Massive, powerful, and completely invisible. We've found such an object, a star's ghost, drifting unseen. It emits no light, no signals, yet its presence is undeniable. The darkness between stars isn't empty, it hides secrets. How do we know something exists if we can't see it? Our senses are limited, but gravity is not. Gravity is the universe's invisible hand, pulling on everything with mass. We can't see these hidden objects, but we can see their effects. By tracking the movements of stars, astronomers look for anything unusual. If a star moves in an unexpected way, it may be dancing with an unseen partner. We don't look for darkness against darkness, we watch the visible stars. With precise measurements, we search for stars behaving strangely. A star's odd motion can reveal the presence of something massive and invisible. This is how we begin our search for the unseen. We look for a star that seems to be dancing with a ghost. In the vast, dark ballroom of space, even the invisible leaves a trace. One day, astronomers found a star that wasn't moving in a straight line. It wobbled, tracing a looping path through space. Imagine a glowing ball thrown through a dark room. If it swerves, something unseen is pulling it. This star was being tugged by an invisible companion. The wobble was regular and repeating, not random. It was locked in orbit with something else, bound by gravity. One partner was visible, the other utterly dark. Like two dancers, one invisible, the other spinning around an empty point. By measuring the visible star's wobble, scientists could deduce the properties of its hidden partner. The laws of physics let us investigate this cosmic ghost. The evidence was clear. Something massive was there. The size of the wobble told us the invisible object was heavy, far too heavy to be a planet. A planet's gravity couldn't cause such a dramatic effect. Whatever was hiding was much more substantial. The detective work had begun. The next question: what could it be? The answer would change our understanding of the cosmos. What could this massive, invisible object be? A gas cloud, too diffuse. It would block starlight, but we saw nothing. A dim star, like a brown dwarf. Our sensitive telescopes found no trace of heat or light. The object was completely dark. The evidence pointed to something exotic, massive, compact, and invisible. Only one known object fits: the collapsed remnant of a giant star, a black hole. Black holes are regions where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, escapes. We find them by their effects, by the way they make stars dance. When the mass is too high for any normal star, only one conclusion remains: we have found a black hole. To understand black holes, we must understand how stars die. For most of its life, a star balances outward pressure from fusion against inward gravity. When the fuel runs out, gravity wins. In massive stars, the core collapses instantly, triggering a supernova explosion. The outer layers are blasted into space, but the core keeps collapsing. It becomes so dense that it warps space and time, creating a black hole. All the mass is squeezed into a point called a singularity, surrounded by the event horizon, the point of no return. Nothing, not even light, escapes. That's why black holes are black. They consume all. When we see a star wobbling, we're witnessing the aftermath of this cosmic drama. Once, two stars orbited each other. Now, only one remains, circling the ghost of its companion. The surviving star's lonely dance is a testament to the invisible mass nearby. The universe's most powerful secrets are often hidden in darkness. This discovery reminds us the universe is filled with unseen things. Black holes are just one example. Rogue planets, worlds ejected from their systems, drift in darkness, nearly impossible to detect. The visible universe is only a fraction of what's out there. Most of the cosmos may be dark. Dark matter and dark energy, invisible yet powerful, shape the universe's fate. We know they exist by their influence, not by sight. The darkness between stars is not empty, it's full of hidden wonders. Science peels back these layers, revealing the unseen through evidence and reason. The most profound truths are often found in what we deduce, not what we see. As we gaze into the night, we must wonder, what other cosmic ghosts are waiting to be discovered?